rotator cuff is a group of 4 muscles that forms a sheet coming over the shoulder joint in order to allow range of motion of the shoulder. The function of the rotator cuff itself is to stabilize the humerus, or the ball of the shoulder, in the cup, or the glenoid, so that the larger muscles of the shoulder, such as the deltoid, can come across and allow you to raise your arm. The rotator cuff essentially stabilizes the shoulder joint so that the other muscles can work. When someone develops a rotator cuff tear, particularly a big rotator cuff tear, the humeral head is not stabilized, and by trying to fire the other muscles in the shoulder to raise the arm, all it results in is a shrug, or essentially a lifting up of the shoulder, as opposed to the abduction that we frequently see when we try to raise our arm.